This template application, I'll be showing you guys how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application here, and this is pretty much a template based application. Not just that, but all around AI application. So you can pretty much scroll and look for whichever template you'd like to use, and it's very simple to use any one of these templates. You can also tap on the search icon at the top here to pretty much search for whichever template you want. Let's say, for example, a template for Christmas, because you guys know Christmas is coming up. And let's say, for example, this Jesus template here. You can tap on this option here. These are templates. You're going to see these templates based on who created these. These are not the preset templates that application provides. These are templates that other people have created. So you can either use the remake option, but that option is not available right now, or you can use the remix option, which you can, if I tap on it, as you can see, you can change the subject of the video and also extend the length of this video that person have created. Also, you can tap on, you get a like, comment, and also share it with your friends and family. Or tap on this here, you can also view the person who created this video here or template, which you can use. So here you can also go ahead and follow them, and if you tap on the three dots over here, you can also block the user. Let's say you don't want to see any posts from this person, you can do that as well. So let me just go back real quick. These are some other templates. These are just some templates that the AI set for you to use. You can pretty much use any one of these. All you have to do is just tap on the use template option, and we'll just ask access to your storage and so forth. Nothing much. Do keep in mind, these gonna require coins or credits to generate each of these. So do keep that in mind. As you can see, there are quite a lot of templates here. Some of them you may need subscription as well. If you do see the diamond icon over these, some of these down here, you're gonna need subscription. So do keep that in mind. As you can see, I can scroll across for whichever one that I want. And all I have to do is pretty much add my photo and we will get the results. As you can see here, down here, I'm gonna hug this thing here. I don't know what that is, but anyways, that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to use. So this is down here is pretty much the template option. Here, if I tap on down here where it says image, you can pretty much turn your pictures into image, and down here you can see modify stuff as well. And here you have the transition option, which can pretty much, you know what transition means, guys. So down here you have the fuse space. So as you can see here, we'll pretty much make everything in one. So this is very easy to use, and you can also add a extend a video that you like to any video that you like to extend. All you have to do is tap on the upload option, allow access to your storage, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much it for that there. Also, you have the swap option. If you want to swap a face or anything out of the video, you can do that using this application as well. So a lot of features this application offers. So yeah. So the mine section here can also upload your, this is pretty much where all your videos go when you have created them, whether it be video, image, or anything over here. So any AI video at all. Over here as well, you can also, this is pretty much the publish section where you publish it. This section here is the private section, and you can also publish so other people on the application can see your video. So at the top here, you may see a lightning icon, which pretty much represents how much coins or credits you have, so you can generate videos. So the plus icon here, just tap on that option here to pretty much view. And down here you have the text to video option. If you don't have anything in mind, down here is the sound. You can enable sound as well. You can add your voice down here with the lips. You can add your voice. Nothing much for that. And as you can see here, you're gonna need a trial or subscription for the 720p and also the 180p. The only one you're getting for pretty much free is the one down here. So if you don't have anything in mind, then you can always tap on this bell icon here. No, bell icon, you can see bulb icon here, and pretty much will generate something for you. And if you want to remove it, just tap on the marker icon there, will remove it. So let's say, for example, I'm going to generate something here. It do tell you how much credit you're going to need to generate the text to video option. Pretty much anything will tell you before you're going to create it, how much do you need. So if I tap on create, we'll start creating that right away. So at the top here, as I said before, it's going to pretty much show you how much, I would say, Lightning coins you have, which you can use. So at the top where it says subscribe, or can tap on that option to pretty much see your subscription page and what to be getting. Do get 200 coins weekly for the year subscription. Down here, you have weekly subscription as well. So you can see the prices and everything. So very easy application to use, and you do get coins or earn credits from inviting members to their application. As you can see here, once they use your referral link or your referral code, you pretty much get pretty much get coins for each person. Let's say add one person, it does show you how much Lightning coins or credits you get per person. As you can see here, one person for 3 person, you get 240 for that down there. And also you can go down here to get free coins as well. If I do publish a video, do get free Lightning coins as well down here. If I share the application or share the video, do get coins as well. So a very easy application to use. If I miss anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. You can also go ahead here and edit your profile as well. So if I missed anything, just comment below. Glad love to help you guys. See you in the next one.